Hi, it's Tara from Centrepiece Rosettes here. As promised, I'm going to do a quick video on how to do up your old rosettes. So here's a bag of rosettes that I won as a child and a teenager. And to show you how old it is, it's actually in a Super Quinn bag. So first of all, I'm going to just have a look at what's here and sort them out into little piles. Try not to get too distracted. Here's ones actually from our old riding centre that we had, Brightstream. Now I've picked out a few rosettes. We have a good selection here. There's Irish Pony Club, Spiller's Irish Pony Club Championships, Calyxtown Riding Club. Here's one from Oakleaf Riding Club. Irish Horse Trials Dressage Society, that's the association before Eventing Ireland came along. There's another Pony Club one, another Calyxtown one, another Dressage Championships. So when we're doing up rosettes, first of all we get the iron out. Have it on a low heat and never iron over the gold foil printing. That'll come off if you iron on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this upside down so I'm ironing on the back. A nice low heat. That's it. I can just watch how the ribbon is going to react. So just straighten it out, give it a bit of an iron, nice and gently, like so. So that looks a bit better there anyway. Now also, if we have the pleating is all ruffled, a handy little thing to do is to just settle it down with the iron like so, and I'm going to show you a trick with the glue gun now in a minute. Just be careful, because as you're ironing it can actually change the colour of the ribbon, so you can just be aware of that. Maybe just go around the whole rosette so that you don't lighten up one part of the ribbon and it'll look odd then. Now the bridle hook is slightly getting in the way here, but that's a bit better. And I'm just going to turn this over now and do the tails. It is amazing though, the memories that you bring back. And I used to always, or nearly always, I didn't do it here, write on the back of my rosettes as to where I won them. There's one now. Treen Dressage 1988 Festival, Tara and Cleo, that was Clear the Way, Ken Mahan, Sarah Connolly, who's now Sarah Love, and Madeline Haxius, and we were 6th in the team dressage at the Pony Club Championships. That was a big success for us. Now just turn this over. So there, if it's a little bit crumpled at the top, you can just gently smooth it down. So I'm going to finish the rest of this ironing on the back, and then I'm going to bring you over to the gluing station and just show you another trick. So I'll talk to you now in a minute when I've got this finished. So now I have the tails ironed. You can see it's a little bit crinkly there, but I can redo it just before we hang them up or put them on one of our holders or frame it or whatever. But I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but that colour has slightly changed from the heat of the iron. So I did go around with the iron and just try and kind of give it a little bit of iron around so it carried the colour through. So that one's not too bad. We finalised that before we frame it. That little Pony Club one came out quite well. You can see the iron. Again, you could snip the tails if you wanted to. So if you just fold them over in half, you can put your V in like that, and it just makes the tails a little bit sharper. There, that looks much better, doesn't it? The tail on that, nice and pointy. Now the one I really wanted to show you here is this one from Brightstream. Actually, we obviously had a one-day event here in 1984, junior one-day event. I was first on Svea. So I have the glue gun here, and you probably won't have such a big glue gun, which is no harm because these are quite savage. So what we're going to do is pull back the top pleat. Hope you can see that there. And I'm just going to get the torn off pleat and feed it around in a semicircle. And this will put this two-tier back together. Be really careful because this glue is lethal. That cut on my finger is actually from where I burnt myself. You know all about it when you burn yourself with a glue gun. And then just pop that in at the bottom. Settle it all down. Give it a little smooth out. And that rosette looks a lot happier now. Again, we could do a little snip on the tails. There you go. So I hope you found that beneficial, and do send us some pictures of your rosettes that you've done up.